Polar bears are magnificent creatures. They are the largest land predators on Earth. These white giants roam the icy landscapes of the Arctic. Polar bears are perfectly adapted to survive in freezing temperatures. Their scientific name is Ursus maritimus, meaning maritime bear. This reflects their close relationship with the sea ice. They depend on it for hunting their primary prey, seals. Polar bears are found in the Arctic regions of the world. This includes countries like Canada, Russia, Greenland, Norway, and the United States, specifically Alaska. They are powerful swimmers. They spend a significant amount of time in and around icy waters. Their thick fur and blubber layer keep them warm in the frigid Arctic climate. Polar bears are solitary animals. However, mothers and cubs share a strong bond for the first few years of the cub's life. The Arctic, their home, is a harsh and unforgiving environment. Polar bears have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in this challenging ecosystem. Polar bear cubs are born helpless and blind. They are usually born in snow dens during the winter months. A mother polar bear typically gives birth to 1 to 3 cubs. The cubs rely completely on their mother's milk for nourishment. They grow rapidly in the warmth and safety of the den. After about 4 months, the cubs emerge from the den. They follow their mother onto the sea ice. This is where they learn essential life skills. The mother teaches them how to hunt, swim, and survive in the Arctic wilderness. The bond between a mother polar bear and her cubs is incredibly strong. She fiercely protects them from any potential threats. The cubs stay with their mother for around 2 years. During this time, they learn valuable skills that are crucial for their survival. As they grow older, they become more independent and eventually embark on their own journeys across the Arctic ice. Polar bears are carnivores. They need a diet rich in fat to survive in the cold Arctic environment. Their primary source of food is seal. Seals provide the high-energy fat that polar bears need to stay warm and healthy. Polar bears are patient and skilled hunters. They have developed remarkable techniques for catching seals. One common method is called still hunting. The bear waits patiently near breathing holes in the ice. When a seal surfaces for air, the bear uses its powerful claws to snag the seal and pull it onto the ice. Another hunting technique involves ambushing seals that are resting on the ice. Polar bears use their keen sense of smell to locate seal lairs. These are shelters that seals create in the snow. They use their incredible strength to break through the snow and capture their prey. Polar bears are perfectly adapted to their Arctic home. Their distinctive white fur provides excellent camouflage against the snow and ice. This makes it easier for them to stalk their prey. Underneath their fur, they have a thick layer of blubber. This blubber acts as insulation, keeping them warm in sub-zero temperatures. Their large paws are equipped with rough pads and non-retractable claws. These adaptations provide excellent traction on ice and snow. This prevents them from slipping. Polar bears also have a strong sense of smell, which helps them locate seals from a distance. Polar bears are impressive swimmers. They have slightly webbed feet. This feature aids in propulsion through the water. They can hold their breath for an impressive amount of time. They dive under the ice to hunt seals. Climate change poses a significant threat to the survival of polar bears. As global temperatures rise, the Arctic sea ice is melting at an alarming rate. This loss of sea ice, their primary hunting ground, makes it increasingly difficult for polar bears to find food. With less ice available, polar bears are forced to spend more time on land. This leads to increased competition for resources. They may encounter humans more frequently, leading to potential conflicts. The shrinking ice forces pregnant females to travel farther to find suitable denning sites. This can negatively impact their reproductive success. The future of polar bears depends on our collective efforts to combat climate change. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions and protecting their Arctic habitat, we can help ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures for generations to come.